Can faith and science coexist? Sabi nila, you can be a scientist and believe in God. Science and faith daw are polar opposites. Ang di nila alam, faith in God ang naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng pag-aaral ng science. Sabi ng batikang professor at manunulat na si C.S. Lewis, men became scientific because they expected law in nature. And they expected law in nature because they believe in a legislator. Lahat ng mga pioneers ng mga sangay ng siyensya ay mga taong may faith sa Diyos. For example, si Galileo, si Kepler, Pascal, si Boyle, Newton, and Faraday. Sabi ni Johannes Kepler, who discovered the laws of planetary motion, the chief aim of all investigations of the external world should be to discover the rational order which has been imposed on it by God and which He revealed to us in the language of mathematics. Kung ang science and faith ay di pwedeng magsama, edi dapat walang mga Christian Nobel Prize winners. In fact, between 1901 and year 2000, over 60% of Nobel laureates were Christians. Ang maling akala ng marami na ang faith ay paniniwala maski walang evidence. In fact, ang Christian faith ay nakabatay sa maraming ebidensya. Nang si Jesus ay nabuhay muli mula sa pagkamatay, nagbigay siya ng matibay na ebidensya sa mga disipulo. Sabi sa Acts, after His suffering, He presented Himself to them and gave many convincing proofs that He was alive. Ang Diyos ay iniimbitahan tayong saliksikin ang Kanyang mga nilikha. The Psalms declared, "Great are the works of the Lord. They are pondered by all who delight in them." Kaya magsuri at huwag magpadala sa mga maling akala. Like and share this video for more biblical truths online.